but I know they'll never own me.
Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Colin, and today I'm actually going to be doing a room tour today, which I'm really excited for y'all to see. I wanted to do this because over the time and over the years, I've been inspired by a lot of people on YouTube who do make these room tour videos. So I said, you know what, it's my turn. Let me show you what I have come up with in my own creative style way, and also piggybacking off a few other designers that I've seen. So here's my room. It's not completely finished, but for the most part it is done, and I'm really excited for how far it's come, at least in the last year since I've been in this house. So without further ado, here goes the video. Alright, yes, let's go ahead and jump on into the room tour, which I'm so excited for. There's me looking in the mirror, kind of see my back living area. Okay, so this is basically the main wall in my little living area, and so I do have a few plaques and chalkboards and things right there, and then that's my couch. It's actually sectional, so I have two pieces there, and the other one's in another room somewhere. I didn't really want the whole thing here, so that's just a brief overview of it. So the thing is, I love blue, and so my room's not painted right now, so it is a lot of blue tones. So the couch is dark denim, and then you have the plaques and stuff for the wall, which is basically a lot of wood. Those two chalkboards were actually from Target. They were on sale for I think $2, so I got both of them. It's why not? And then the Sorry Not Sorry sign is actually from Michael's. That was on sale. And then here's my entertainment system, the entertainment area that I actually love. It's very temporary right now, but I do kind of like how it is set up. I have the little cheap piece of, it's faux fur, y'all, don't drag me. It's my Wakanda Forever light box sign, which I'm just in love with. And so yeah, that fabric came from Joann's. It has a texture to it. And so that's my TV right there. And so I spend a lot of time on my couch watching TV because why not enjoy it? And so that's just another picture of that. And then there's a little wireless speaker right there, which I'm kind of loving. And then here is it's a Polaroid camera. I think it's 20, 30 years old, and I'm just loving it. I want to find some film to put in that thing. And then right here, it's just on top of my ottoman, I actually have this little, I want to say bin things or whatever, and so I put books here. I used to have a lot more that went right there, but I gave a lot of my books away. But right here you see my books, and so I actually changed that, put more red books in there, red coverings of those books, just to kind of match and balance each other out. And then by the side of it, you can see I have my Mardi Gras sign, my Mardi Gras mask, which I'm just in love with. I have that Mardi Gras mask for 7 years, y'all. And I'm just so in love with it. It's so beautiful. I want to go to Mardi Gras one day. I think that would be so fun to do.
Be the class clown. I'll be the beauty queen in tears. It's a new art form showing people how little we care. We're so happy, even when we're smiling out of fear. Let's go down to the tennis court and talk it up.
Okay, so y'all, so here is my living area, well, my bed, and so it's basically kind of all the same thing. It is a denim headboard with a tough denim headboard, and it's actually a little wider than my couch. And so here's some pillows up on my bed. I've been in love with white sheets, white comforters for the last few years, so I'm so glad to have a white comforter on my bed, which is kind of just my favorite thing right now. It looks so good. And then so I have my two little side tables. They're gray. And then right here at the end of my bed, I have a little gray throw, which I'm in love with my ottoman with a little pillow on it. My dad gave me that ottoman, and it's actually really neat. It actually complements it very well. And so I just throw my backpack there every day when I get home from school or I start on homework. And then this is my desk area, which I do my homework at. And so I'm in love with my desk. It's basically y'all, it's a hodgepodge of things. None of those things over there really match, but everything together makes it so cohesive, makes it look so good together. So basically this is just overthrough my desk, my laptop, do my Play-Dohs on the side, school books, journal and stuff. So everything on there is actually very useful to me, and I use them an everyday basis, and I kind of am in love with that. Right here you guys can see my little succulents area or whatever. I have two right now. I had three, and then another one died, so I actually am down to one. But I still am the plant king. I'm very good at keeping up with them, and I just love them. It gives life to my room and breathe it in. And then right here is my little production poster. It's a few notes and things that I have from the shows that I did work on. which I'm in love with, and right here on my playbill. So I am in love with musical theater. I can't sing for my life, but I do love seeing shows, and I need to see a lot more, y'all. I need to step it up. But yes, like I said, that's just my desk area. Those books I actually wrap myself with like contact paper, and so if I ever do a video on it, I will definitely show y'all how to do those, because those desperately need to be redone. But that is like my little crafty thing, so I'm kind of crafty, I guess you could say. Okay, so right here, I have like another like Route 66 sign. I got it for like $22 at Michael's. It was on sale. And this is my dorm, y'all. I love this area. It's so picturesque, but I don't really use it. So I have like a little blue tucked ottoman, like a few pillows, and then these lights. Let me get into these lights really quickly. Those are the most difficult things I think I've ever done in my life, with hanging those up. Because I use like those little plus like command strips. They don't work that much. Like, they're terrible. And then on my wall, I have like another like array of things. So I have a few things up here. Everything on my wall, I think I actually did get from Michael's on sale. Y'all know how Michael's is. If you see it, it's like $60. Wait, it's gonna go to 30% off. It's gonna go to 50% off, and then it'll eventually get to like 70-75% off. And that's the time to purchase it. So like I drew that picture, and it's my family right there, and it is my happy place. That's where my home is. And now we're entering my restroom, well, my bathroom, I guess you would say. And it's a really nice sized bathroom. I have like a walk-in shower and everything. So that's me in the mirror. You kind of see most of the bathroom. And in there, it has another dormer too, which I do kind of love. I don't know what I'm going to do there yet. And so here I just have like a few fake plants, of course. And then my Yves Saint Laurent cologne box. I put it there to be like bougie, because, you know, why not? And so on the other side, I have some more like fake plants with a little owl. Just like accent everything, and I kind of like how it is. It's more, I don't want to say earthy, but kind of earthy, but I do like the white and the green and how they complement one another, so that's really cool. And here's like a little dresser that I think my dad gave to me that my grandfather had, and so I really do love that. So I just have like a blazer and a pair of pants that I don't really wear there, but it does go really well, and I do love how it looks. And so yeah, so that's my rooms here for y'all. I really do hope y'all actually enjoyed it. I had fun making it. It's been sitting there for a while, but it's finally done. So like, if y'all liked it, like my channel, subscribe, and come back and see me. Bye y'all.